Hello friends, today I am going to cook quinoa, the superfood, the super proteinous and nutritious food. So the procedure of cooking this is very simple. Today I am going to prepare this with curd. This is homemade curd. Okay, this much quinoa I have taken. I have not measured it. Probably I think 3/4 cup. Anyway, so first of all I'll boil them in pressure cooker. I'll add this quinoa and then water. I'll cook the quinoa softer. Okay, this is done. Now I'll pour this to a bowl. Let's add curd. Okay, now I'll temper this with curry leaves and mustard seeds. So let's go to oven. Mustard oil. Oil is hot. Now I'll add red chili, curry leaves, then I'll add mustard seeds, okay.